Soon it is going to be back to school, and I have this recipe here that you can add as part of your kids' snack idea. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. In a pan or a pot, you are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, butter or margarine depending on the one that you have. I added milk and vanilla. Move the pan straight to your heat. You can substitute milk with water. Start mixing till the butter or the margarine dissolves. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, once the butter dissolves, turn off the heat and start adding your sifted flour. As you add, mix at the same time. Please make sure that the heat is off. You are not cooking the flour, alright? Continue to mix till you form a dough. You are going to take the pot out of the stove, not out of the heat. Remember, the heat is off already, okay? Now transfer in a bowl and spread it around. Allow to cool down for about 5 minutes. Then go ahead and add eggs. If your egg is very large, you can use 1. Because my eggs are tiny, I am using 2. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Beautiful shout out to you, Sophia, watching from India, Rebecca Linus from Cross River State, Aji from Uganda, Vangelshi, watching from Alberta, Canada, and Tini, all the way from Botswana. Whoops! Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, after mixing, I'm going to do the finishing touch with a spatula. Once that is done, you are going to transfer into a piping bag. There is no alternative for piping bag. My piping bag has a nozzle in it. You can do it with the piping bag alone without the nozzle, all right? The nozzle is just to give it a design, okay? With your scissors, you are going to cut off the tail of the piping bag. It is time to pipe. In a deep hot moderate oil, pipe and cut. If you are with me at this moment, type pipe and cut. Pipe and cut into the deep hot moderate oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After piping and cutting, allow to cook for 2 minutes. Go ahead and flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once it is golden brown like so, take it off the heat. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this simple recipe. Look at that. Ladies, see, what is the name of this recipe? You can call it Churros fingers. Do you love what you are saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. It can be enjoyed just the way it is. You can coat with normal sugar, but I decided to dust with sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. You can enjoy just the way it is, like I mentioned earlier. Now tell me, do you prefer to enjoy just the way it is, or to be dusted with sugar or coated with sugar? Let me know your opinion at the comment section. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. like Mamma Mia! Crunchy outside, soft on the inside. This recipe is very simple to prepare. While they are taking their breakfast, you can easily prepare this. Go ahead and secure in a plastic bag like so and drop it in their lunch box. Trust me, your kids are going to love it. It tastes so good. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.